Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday.
Today I'm making very simple gemstone earrings using 5mm cubic zirconia crystals. I am going to use 20 gauge silver artistic wire, the Beadalon Glimmer Series nipper tool, the Beadalon Slimline chain nose pliers, and the round nose pliers. We are going to start with 6 inches of the 20 gauge artistic wire, and with the round nose pliers we are going to form a small circle, small little loop, bring it all the way around with the round nose pliers, and then just continue the wire around a little bit. And then from there we are going to get some nylon jaw pliers to hold it firmly. You can do this with your fingers if you prefer, and bring the wire all the way around to the top. From there we're going to use the round nose pliers just to give it a little bit of a dip, so there's like a little crevice for the gemstone. We're going to pop it in there into that space, and then we want to hold it firmly with the thumb and finger and bring the wire up towards the top of the gemstone. It's sort of like a cone, so we're working our way around to the top, and then we need to go around just above the surface of the crystal so it won't pop out. So just barely catching that crystal in there. You could put a dab of crazy glue inside if you want, but I'm not using glue for this one in particular. It's just going to hold in with the wire. And then we're going to bring the vertical wire in towards the center and then straight up. So if the crystal comes out, you can just put it back in, pull the wire back a little bit, and then make sure when you surround it that the wire goes just above the crystal, so it's going to hold in place. So this could take a little bit of practice. You could try it a couple of times to get the hang of it. And we're going to bring the wire all the way around so it's really secured in there. And then once you're happy with that, then you can turn the wire around the vertical wire. So just bring it all the way around, full turn. And then we're going to clip the end of the wire with the nipper tool or your flush cutters. And then we can pinch it in with the chain nose pliers, so it's really firmly in place and there's no little pokey end. And then we're going to clip it to about 3/8 of an inch with the nipper tool, cut it flush, and we need to form the loop at the top. So we're going to take our round nose pliers, bring the wire back and around to make a closed loop. And then you can pinch it in with the flat pliers or the chain nose pliers. You see, it's very simple. The crystal won't come out. You can do any little adjustments that you need to straighten out the wires. And then we need to make some hooks, so I'm going to use the Argentium silver wire. You could use 20 or 21 gauge. We're going to do 2 pieces at the same time using the Beadalon looping pliers, and then bring the wire around into a hook. I have other tutorials for earring hooks, and then we want to bend the wires back, and you can file the ends so they're not sharp. And then all you have to do is open up the hook, slide on your earring, and there you have your super simple and beautiful gemstone earring.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook.
You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop.
So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.